Hi, I'm Leslie Jones with Influence Real Estate. I'm here with LJ Whitmore. He's the project manager for Utah Lifestyle Homes at Salem Park. LJ, tell us about Utah Lifestyle Homes and the philosophy with which you built the company.
For sure. Yeah, Utah Lifestyle Homes is a family-owned business. We've been around for about 30 years. It consists of my dad as the owner and a couple of us brothers. And we've worked together for quite some time, several years. And one of the unique things about our business is a lot of the subcontractors that we've worked with have been around for years and years. So we've gained quite a rapport with them and we work closely with them. Our philosophy and our motto is to build with the you in mind, with the homeowner in mind. So we're a unique business where we have a little bit more of a personal basis with the buyer as through the building process and if they come after too. So it's a little bit unique.
What can buyers expect when they work with Utah Lifestyle Homes? What are some of the unique things about your company?
Well, they get to actually work with the people that are working on their home. There's no middleman that they have to go through and to try to communicate with. They can come directly to us while we're on the job and discuss with us the things that are going on with their house. And they actually get to meet the owner, they get to talk with him, they get to discuss the things that are really important to them.
Great. What does it mean to build with you in mind?
Well, I think that's where we come in a little bit more unique. Every family is different, everybody has different needs, and we have some basic house plans that we work off of. But because we work closely with the buyer, we're able to fit the house with their needs. So say they're a big family and they need a couple more bedrooms. We're able to, even in the house plans that we have, add a couple bedrooms. Or if they're empty nesters, subtract a couple bedrooms, get a bigger office or a bigger kitchen or bigger living room or things like that. So we're able to build what people need. So if they need a bigger garage, we can add a garage. Or if they need it deeper for RVs, we can do it deeper. Or if they need a lot that has an RV pad on the back, or some things that they need in the landscaping that's unique to their needs, we accommodate that.
So you've got the flexibility to accommodate the needs of the buyer. What you mentioned that buyers will work directly with the builder to get the home that they want. The builder is working on their home, swinging a hammer on their home. Why is that important? Well,
because it is a family-owned business and we're not a large corporate business, every one of us who has a large stake as part of the company, we're on the job every day. We use the hammer, we use the broom, we're the ones operating the machinery. So it's not like we sit behind the desk, we throw out our numbers and just try to do business that way. We're actually on the job doing what we do.
That's great. Well, will you show us some of the changes that you can do on Lot 30? I know there's some changes to the modifications to the original plan. Let's go look at some of those things.
For sure.
Great.
Yeah.